Holy sh**. This is why people hate the dealership. Here's the backstory. This customer just had the head gasket on their 2010 Prius replaced 2,000 miles ago at the dealership. There was so much sloppy work performed on this by a technician at a dealership, which I will not name the dealership. We're not going down that road. That's gonna be anonymous. I had to make a list of things that I found wrong with this car. And I actually have to read this off to you because it's unbelievable. We found so many things. It's unbelievable. First off, a motor mount bolt is missing. Wiper motor bolts are missing. Wiper cowl clips are missing. An airbox bolt is missing. The other one's cross-threaded. It's also the wrong bolt, by the way. Various things. Clips for a wire harness are missing. This is unacceptable work by a dealership. One of my biggest concerns is this customer came in with a check engine light 2,000 miles after a head gasket replacement. Coolant over temperature was the DTC that was stored. We found an EGR cooler hose that was loose and leaking coolant. No hose clamp on it. Wild. Unacceptable. The point of this is I can complain all day about how sloppy the dealership is. My idea here though at TSL is that we advocate for you, the customer. We were successfully able to contact the dealership and they paid us to correct the issues with this Prius. So we get this customer back on the road quick. Have you had enough with the dealership? Let's talk some in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more real content like this.